channel. To all my returning viewers and subscribers, welcome back. If you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for taking the time to check out my channel. Thank you all for tuning in and just hanging out with me today. My name is Lizzie, aka Chanel. The name of my channel is Lizzie Luxury. Lizzie Luxury is your one-stop channel for everything beauty, fashion, glamour, and lifestyle. If you have passion, love, interest in maybe one or all of the subjects, just like I do, you have come to the right place. Please make yourself comfortable, get you a glass of wine or a glass of champagne because today I have another interesting hot product to review for you guys. I'm excited about this product. I'm excited about this review, and I am hoping you guys are going to enjoy this review. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends to help my channel grow. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so each time I upload a new video, you would be the first to know. Without any delay, I'm going to jump straight into this review. But before we do that, I just want you guys to check out this dress that I'm rocking today. It is from Austin Heritage. So please check out Austin Heritage. As you can see, what I got in my hands came in this beautiful signature olive box. On the front, it says Gucci. Yes, it is none other than Gucci. So we got Gucci in the house. Gucci is an Italian fashion house, high-end luxury brand. Founded in the early 1920s. So they've been in business for a very long time. Full disclosure, guys. Before we jump straight into this review, I just want to let you guys know that the item that I'm going to be reviewing today is something that I've had for a little while. So I decided to repackage just for this presentation. And of course, I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion. We have two little booklets. It says Gucci on the front. We have an envelope. I'm sure we have our invoice, return information, and all that fun stuff. Then we have our dust bag. And last but not the least, we have this gorgeous, I'm telling you all, it is exquisite, beautiful belt. Again, I have already used this belt, so I'm going to be giving you my honest opinion on this belt. As you all can see, this is the Gucci interlocking double G buckle white leather belt. It's beautiful. It features this vintage gold tone hardware. It's very shiny and has a glowing finish. Just the logo itself measures 5.35 by 4.17. It is huge. It is really beautiful. This belt has a combination of functionality and style. So you can wear this belt on your hip or on your waist. It is such an amazing design. Celebrities and ordinary people alike love Gucci because they make some of the most amazing pieces. They specialize, of course, in ready-to-wear for men, women, and children. They also have handbags, perfume, and fashion accessories. I have never had any problem with any of the Gucci products. This belt is just exquisite. I love this belt. I have had this belt now for a little over a year, and each time I wear this belt, I just get so many compliments on this belt. It is just a true luxury statement piece. This belt is made in Italy. It is made of 100% calf skin leather. The leather is very soft and very smooth. As you can see, I can just roll this belt in one piece with no problem. It has 3 holes, so it is an adjustable belt. See, I got 3 holes. This belt would definitely add sophistication and elegance to any ordinary outfit. Yes, it would give you that element of class and edginess. It is truly beautiful. Well crafted. Again, this belt is extremely well crafted, all thanks to the creative director of Gucci. Yes, his inspiration comes from the 1970s collections. He's been doing such an amazing job since he became the creative director. His name is Alessandro Michele. Yes, Alessandro Michele is the creative director of Gucci, and I think, I'm not sure exactly, but he's been with Gucci as a creative director for a very long time. And prior to becoming the creative director for Gucci, he was of course working for Gucci. I'm not sure in what role that he was working before he became the creative director. But since he became the creative director, he has just elevated the brand with some amazing collections. So thank you, Alessandro Michele. I'm sorry guys, I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Yes. So but anyway, this belt, of course, you can see it comes in black, and then we got that hardware in a gold tone finish, just giving this belt an amazing contrast. You all know how I feel about gold, so when I first eyed this belt, when I first saw this belt, I was like, I have to have it. I truly do. I said, I have to have this belt. I did say to myself, I am definitely going to get this belt, because I just knew it was going to be such an amazing piece. Gucci has a variation of belts. I shop mostly on the website, so I've never really been to like a physical store, but on the website they have like different designs, different sizes, different colors. So please just check them out and see if there's something that you might like. This particular size, they don't have them anymore. When they first came out, they sold like hotcake. So I recently checked on the Gucci website, and they were out of stock, unfortunately. Yes, so, but of course, again, they have smaller sizes and different colors. So just check them out, guys, for yourself, and I am hoping you guys would find something that you like. Again, Gucci is a very renowned quality luxury brand. They make just like amazing pieces. This belt, when they first came out, they were selling for $10.50. So I got this belt for $1,050. It's beautiful. I'll show you guys one more time. I'm gonna wear this belt on so you guys can see how beautiful it is. Yes. And the dress that I'm rocking today is from Austin Heritage. I think I already told you guys that. So this belt would definitely give you that Hollywood or that New York glamour. Personally, I would call it the Lizzie Luxury Glamour. I love it. It is such an amazing piece, guys. Very, very functional, very versatile. You can wear this again on your hip or on your waist. So guys, if you own any of the Gucci Marmont belt, let me know in the comment section below what you think about the Gucci brand. Also, please, I would like to hear from you guys what you think about this review, about this belt. Again, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends to help my channel grow. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so each time I upload a new video, you would be the first to know. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate you guys. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.